Okay, we'll see if he finds the trail. The deer skin. Quite a ways ahead I drug the deer skin across the path, so I hope that he figures out himself where it is he needs to get off this trail and head into the woods. Eros, search! Suchen! That's the old trail. Come on. We're looking for a new one. Yeah, this is the 4th time we're trying it today. I think. 4th or 5th. So, each trail I had to put farther into the woods so I don't get my trails crossing each other. And he just tried to go in there where the old path was. Okay, he's coming up to it just now. It'll be there in a minute. Okay. Now he just walked by it. But he's turning back. Good. Suche, search! He's picking up the scent. This is where I went in. Use your nose, Eros. Okay, he's going the right way. Here's my next marker. There we go. He's going right. Oh, that's wrong. Come on back. Use your nose. Over here, Eros. Come back. Come back. Okay, now he's back on it. Oh! Where you going? Hey, not so fast. He's going right, but I can't hardly keep up with him. Okay, he just walked by our turnoff, but it's marked there. But he's coming back. He's got the scent again. Okay. He's finding it. There's the next marker. He's right on it. You're hot. Now you walk by it. Suche. Search. Use your nose. Use your nose. Where's the scent? Go find it. Suche. Nothing like getting the leaves tangled. Now get back on your trail. Where's your trail? You use your nose. Ah, there we go. Jackpot. You got it. Yeah, you got it. That a boy. Yeah, good boy, Eros. Yeah, good boy. You got it. Fine. Huh? Good boy. Oh yeah, he knows how to chew wires. Get back. Okay, you gonna give it back to me? Said no way, that tastes so good.